This is a quick video to introduce you to Vercel AI SDK. This Vercel AI software development kit is an open source library for building AI powered user interfaces. If you are a Java developer, a JavaScript developer, or a TypeScript developer, then and want to develop AI applications, then you need not to look further or beyond than Vercel AI SDK. This is not only very easy to use, but also it is right according to what market is requiring right now. For example, you can use this Vercel AI SDK to build serverless and edge-ready applications. It has built-in adapters for LangChain, OpenAI, Anthropic, and Hugging Face. Plus, you can also stream lifecycle the callbacks. And as you know, the callbacks for you can use it for saving completed streaming responses to a database in the same request. And you can use the vector databases like Pinecone or similar for these purposes. It also provides you streaming UI helpers in order for your React, Svelte, and Vue helpers. On your screen, you can see the website for Vercel AI SDK. There is a lot of information, guides, and very easy to follow examples there. I'll just show you quickly one example as how can you use this Vercel AI SDK with with Hugging Face. So this is a GitHub repo where you can find this example. You can directly deploy this example onto the Vercel, and all you need to do is to create your free account there. And then how you can use it, simply use npx to create the next step and give it this repo link, and it will create you the next Hugging Face app. And as you know, Hugging Face is a company that develop tools, and one of the most famous tools is Transformer Python library built for natural language processing or NLP. So there is also this Vercel AI playground which you can use. It is also very nice. You can build different applications and stuff, and then you can go from there. So I hope that you enjoyed it. I will drop the link to this very nice Vercel AI SDK, and you can play around with it at your leisure. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.